Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So with one pack of hair, I split that up into three. For my products, I'm going to use my Cream of Nature mousse, and for the ends of my hair, I'm going to use the Silk Element Edge Gel. Just showing you guys, I had a difficulty in parting my head. This three-way mirror was not working, and I tried adding in the curly hair, but that was not working, so I took them out. So let's go into my hair. The reason why I use the Cream of Nature mousse is because gel itches me. I cannot put gel directly on my scalp because it will definitely itch me. So going with the mousse, I see that as the better option. And also when you use the mousse, it looks more natural than literally seeing the gel placed on your hair. So I added the mousse, I combed my hair out, then I split my hair into two. Your next step, that's the first step. The next step is you're going to find the center of your braid. When you find the center of your braid, you're going to put that in between the part. Use your finger and push it into your part. Then you're going to take your hands and you're going to twist the braid and your hair together. I twist it until I feel a tension on my scalp. Once I feel that tension, I stop twisting, and then I move on to the other hair, and then I continue to twist that hair until I also feel tension. After that, now you can twist both hair together. Now you should always do this. Comb your hair out. If you do not comb your hair out, it will cause little bumps on the hair. It will not let the hair look flat, so you need to comb it out. And as you twist down, you'll realize that there will be knots with the braided hair. So just get your wide tooth comb, because that's gonna be more easier, more quicker, and just comb the ends out and you continue twisting your hair going down. So this is the first time I have done this hairstyle on my head. I haven't worn braids in such a long time. I normally get it done. However, I would take out that braid within 3 to 4 days because it itches so bad, and that's why I use apple cider vinegar to wash the hair before I apply it. And not only that, putting gel on the roots of my head, that is another problem for me, and that's why I only applied this gel on the tip of my hair. However, when it came to the front part of my hair, I did smooth down my natural hair a bit with the gel, because this gel does not really itch me. However, I still wouldn't put gel on the rest of my head, probably the front part of my hair, but not the rest. As y'all can see, my parting is super bad. However, that part's not gonna really show because the hair is gonna cover it up. However, I am so proud of myself that I completed my hair. I don't know if I will do this again, but I am happy with the finish. Now I am going to oil my hair, and I'm going to use, of course, my Dr. Miracle oil for my scalp. And I should have added my oil before I did this style. So for you, before you style your hair, add the oil first. And to put down or lay down my hair, I don't know why people do this. I don't know why hairstylists do this. When it comes to braids, they always put mousse on the braids. So I'm just putting some mousse on the braids. And this one is from Silk Element. But yes, this is my finished work. I hope you guys like my technique, or maybe try my technique one day. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you like my content, and please subscribe in order to see more videos just like this one. Bye.